Education is critical today as jobs are changing and the future of work, not knowing what jobs that are being created today will be around 5 or 10 years from now. Creating lifelong learners is critical, and education is extremely important, whether it's for finding a traditional job or for becoming an entrepreneur. Learning skills in STEM, particularly science, technology, and math, is critical to ensuring that the future of work is secure. Well, I think what drives interest is in developing passion within students is exposing them to what the opportunities are in particular fields. So providing opportunities for mentors, for speakers to come in and to talk about what opportunities exist for jobs or for starting companies or for technologies that will be important or critical to the workforce 5 or 10 years from now. I think what drives the passion within students is seeing and learning from others about their successes and about and then developing within them something that they can be passionate about. Well, one of the ways that we encourage and inspire students is by connecting them with entrepreneurs. We bring entrepreneurs into the classroom, but more importantly, we bring students into the companies that we work with on a regular basis. Those students either work as interns or the founders of those companies serve as mentors for those students. And that has driven a passion and an interest amongst those students to develop their skills and to also help them become better students, because seeing what is valuable in the workforce allows them to go back into the classroom and have a better understanding of why they're studying the subjects that they're studying. Very nice. One of the things in speaking with the students is clear that you have an incredibly bright and intelligent student body. The questions that they asked are a clear indication that they're passionate about learning and that they're interested in the world in terms of the subjects that they're studying here, as well as what their future career prospects may look like. My suggestion would be to find mentors early and very early on in their careers. If they can find, whether it's a professor, a successful business person, or somebody in a career that they hope and aspire to talk to them, to find out from them what their path to entrepreneurship or their career has been, and again, use that to help them drive their studies, whether it's what they study at university or what they study in postgraduate or graduate program. Learning from others, in my experience, has been the best way that students can tailor their own careers.